Assalamu Alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to convert text to voice or speak cell and column in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Firstly, you have to add speak cell in quick access toolbar. Go to file menu, option, quick access toolbar and choose the command from command not in the ribbon. Find the speak cell, choose the speak cell, add and hit OK. Choose the row and click the speak cell. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.